Hi, my name's Justin Hankey from RDL. Welcome to our little booth. We're exhibiting at the ISE Trade Show 2026 over here at Barcelona in Amsterdam. Haven't exhibited for a couple of years, so it's great to be back at the show. One of the main features for the show is we're showcasing the EU form factor. As you probably know, particularly for those in the US, we've had a lot of products focused on the Decora form factor, which we've got here, but we're very much focusing on broadening RDL into the global market, and part of that is developing our solutions into an EU form factor. So we've got a selection of products. We've got the EU BTN21, which is a Bluetooth receiver. It's a Dante PoE enabled device. We've expanded that across 4 additional units here. So we've got a couple of input units and a couple of output units. Great little form factor here that you can see sitting into a European or a UK back box. These are coming in full white, but we also have the option of interfacing with or mounting to a black surround, so you've got a lot of customization as well. So this is a massive product for us. We've had a lot of really positive feedback during the show. It's going to accommodate a lot of those integrators who are applying into, again, that UK or the European form factor. Of course, we've got a range of other products here, but come over here and we'll show you one other little item as well. So along with our very traditional, where RDL was founded, we've got the stick-on, we've got the TX series, but we've got a great little functional system here. We're actually showcasing a couple of really cool features and functions. Little functional system here, we've got 3 audio sources. We've got Bluetooth and RCA input from the BTN44, but we've also got a 3rd source here, which is the BTN21. Now what we're doing from the NMC1R, we are actually changing the audio routing through dynamic Dante routes. So what we can do from this unit here, we can press and hold, we can go down to presets, and we can actually change the audio source that is being routed into the next product, which I'll show you. This is a great feature. It's enabling us to actually route audio without the need of having a centralized DSP unit. So what's happening is as we change the audio routes from 1, 2, or 3 down to the next product here, which is the NVC2. Now the NVC2 looks very similar to the NMC1R, but it's very different. When we place the NVC2 onto a Dante network, it will actually be seen with 2 receive channels and 2 transmit channels. This is actually a network-based volume controller for Dante or AES67. It can dynamically change the volume of either a stereo zone or 2 mono zones, allowing us to actually very simply change the audio level within a Dante stream. This is absolutely brilliant, saving you the need of having a centralized DSP unit. We can be routing from a Dante source directly to a Dante-enabled PoE speaker, for example. We've had a lot of great feedback and a lot of real positive reviews on this. The NVC2 is then routing down to here, which is a Dante-enabled amplifier, the SF-NP100A, and that's then providing 100 volt, high impedance loudspeaker connection onto our active speakers here. So, great little showcase here. For those of you that weren't able to join us at ISE, RDL will very much be attending the Infocom show in Vegas. Hopefully we'll see you guys there. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.